Hey everybody, I'm Andy Williams and this is my software presentation video. Today I'm going to be showing you an infographic software called Visme. So to access Visme, you need to get any computer that uses the internet. Then you just go to Google, type in Visme, and here we are. So you can see they've got this great website. It's really easy to use, great features. They've even got this great video that tells you how to use the whole thing. But that's my job, so I guess I'll do that. Now first let's talk about pricing. I use the basic model, while there's also the standard and complete models for $16 a month and $6 a month. These programs offer extra features, and some of the ones that are actually kind of important are that the basic feature only lets you use 3 projects at a time, so that could hold you back and be a big drawback. So if you want to use this in a business setting, you might want to go ahead and pay the extra money and get the extra projects and abilities. But I don't need that at all. So if you were to click Get Started, it will let you create a login profile and start working on your projects. But seeing as I've already done that, we're going to go to my dashboard. Now when you log into your account, this is what it looks like. Here you can see the projects that have been shared with you. You can share projects with other people, and you can even go to a blog to learn all about infographic technology. When you work on projects, they'll pop up like this. Now let's check out this one that I've already been working on. So today I want to tell you a little bit about Sagar Pattani. He's a heck of a guy, great man, and I just want to let you know a little bit more about him. So we're going to make an infographic about him. Now this is my title up top, and as you can see I can move that around and slide it around. If I wanted to edit this, I could just click, delete, and add in his high school nickname. Now let's say that doesn't fit. I can drag and drop as much as I want to try and make it fit nicely right in the middle. Perfect. So now moving down, let's talk about Sagar's college years. Little known to most people, Sagar actually finished 3rd in the 2008 presidential election before college. But let's say I want to change the data so that what actually happened is reflected. We'll give Sagar 1% of the vote because you know he deserves it. And we'll give McCain 48%. And Obama 51%. Historical records aren't really that important. And there you go, Sagar. Sorry about the loss. But one thing about Sagar is that he loves puppies. So here, I can add all the puppies I want and move them around as necessary. I can also hyperlink to a website about puppies if I wanted to. And I can also add effects. Now, if you were going to add your own, you would come here to your shapes, click animals, and then go down and find the puppy that you wanted to add. Now, moving right along. Sagar loves science and water balloons. This right here is a video that I added by coming to the left side, clicking video, and pasting a URL. Now when you do that, it's going to give you a video template like this that you can delete for now or add your video. Moving on down, we've got the Pattani fan club, which, I mean, let's be honest, there we go. You also have lots of infographics that you can use like this. They're very easy to change. You can change your title in here to whatever you want it to be. You can change your data. It's very simple. Moving right along, you can add these pictures by coming to your left side toolbox. You can drag and drop from your desktop or pick a picture from your saved files and add it to the slideshow. Needless to say, it's very useful. Now, another cool thing you can do is animate your images. So let's say we have this image right here. We can make it do anything we want, including fry from the right or left or go all over the place. We'll make it fade in. So that's going to allow you, when you're giving a presentation, to have some extra animation to look really good. Another thing is you can have multiple slides in your presentation at once. So if I wanted to move on and do my next slide, I could just click on this and start right away. But we'll just stay on slide 1 with Sagar. So when you're ready to view your slideshow, you come to Preview, and there you go. We see it right here. Now while we're here, we might as well go ahead and enjoy ourselves a little bit. Let's watch this. Great job, Sagar. You look great. So, some of the uses for this software are making great infographics and presentations for maybe an LMC class or for a business setting. Some of the limits I've already talked about are your cost. You only have to work with 3 projects at a time, and you have to keep the Visme company logo on your presentation unless you buy the higher versions. But it's a very useful software that's easy to use, and is very useful to us coming up shortly with our infographic projects. So, when you're ready to start working, check out Visme. Thank you.